How to manually change the IP address, gateway, or DNS on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now make sure you turn on Wi-Fi by tapping on the toggle button. Once it is turned on, tap on your Wi-Fi network. So here, tap on the settings icon right next to your Wi-Fi network. And then we go down and tap on View More. From here, tap on IP settings and choose Statics. And from here, to manually change the IP address, you can put it in, say 111. Gateway, you can put in the gateway for your IP address. So it's quite important that you put in the correct gateway. If you put in the wrong gateway, you won't be able to connect to your Wi-Fi router. Next is the network prefix length, and then the DNS. So here, normally the DNS would be similar to your gateway, but it can be different. So if you are using Google DNS, so you can enter in Google DNS instead. So it doesn't need to be the same local network DNS. It can be a different DNS if you wanted to. You can also put in a backup DNS or DNS number 2 as well. And that's it. After that, you can tap on saved. And that is how you can manually change the IP address or the gateway or the DNS on your Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.